Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Narzo 50A Prime to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both of them and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. After that, open your app and select I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and repeat all of those steps. So I accept, confirm, stop the misclick, come on, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on an Android and send on Realme. Then tap on all of those dots and select send over here. This way you will pick all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one file, choose send and tap on got it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks and close this window. Then we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. And now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!